No matter if you are a long-time Apple Watch user or just bought one recently, we are sure there are many things about it that you still don't know about. And in this video, we are going to tell you about just those things. The very first trick that we are going to tell you about involves the stopwatch. Many of us use this handy little feature of our Apple Watch. However, very few of us know that stopwatch offers 4 different modes that you can switch between using 3D touch. By simply force tapping on your Apple Watch's screen, you can access these modes. Various modes of stopwatch include analog, digital, graph and hybrid. My favorite is the graph mode that shows a live line graph of your laps on the screen. Everyone knows that Apple Watch has a cool scribble feature that makes it possible for users to reply to text by scribbling on the screen. However, using the scribble feature isn't always easy. What many don't know is that they can write a part of the word and then easily autocomplete it by tapping on the arrow button on the screen. When you tap on this button, you get access to a list of words that may be suitable for your conversation. Go ahead and give this feature a try. From the control center, you can tap on the iPhone icon to ping it. When you do so, your iPhone will ring for a few seconds. But there's more to it. You can actually tap and hold on the same button to also make your iPhone flash its LED light. This is useful for finding the iPhone in dark and loud conditions. Mac users with Apple Watch can securely and effortlessly unlock their Macs using their Apple Watch. You can turn on this cool feature by enabling an option from Mac system preferences. Once the feature is activated, your Mac will automatically unlock if your Apple Watch is nearby and unlocked. While you are on the watch face screen, you can access the notification center and the control center by swiping down and swiping up. However, if you are in an app, you cannot access these screens by simply performing the same gestures. What many users don't know is they can actually access the notification center by tapping and holding on the top of the screen. Similarly, they can access the control center by tapping and holding on the bottom of the screen. Knowing this trick makes accessing these watchOS sections a lot easier for the users. The last trick in this video involves the activity app on the iPhone. What many users don't know is that they can actually see their activity goals for past many months by scrolling on the history page's calendar screen and then swiping right. There they will see what their activity goal used to be in those weeks along with percentage of increase or decrease. There you go folks, this was our look at some Apple Watch tips and tricks many users are not familiar with. If you found this video useful, then consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel. We will see you in our next video.